I'm Jelle de Ryck. I'm CEO and co-owner of Tomerel. It's a company growing tomatoes nearby Antwerp in Belgium. My parents had a passion of tomatoes. As a child, I grew up in this place and used this as my playground. As growers, we want to produce quality and taste. Every year we have the same goal, getting the most out of the cultivation without loss of quality. The previous HPS installation was 180 micromoles. We were limited in the darkest weeks of the year because of losing fruit weight. Normally the fruit weight would be 12 gram and it drops to 10 gram in the darkest weeks of the year. To choose the best LED technology, we're looking for a fixture with minimum shading, high efficacy and easy installation. With the LED, we have created an important advantage because of the electricity prices that exploded this winter. The LED has almost the same intensity as the previous HPS installation, only the electricity uptake is reduced by 50%. The new intensity, we can create the same amount of light in less hours. That gives us the flexibility to sell the produced electricity to the grid at the most expensive hours of the day. We learned together with Fluence that the plant also benefits from a longer night time. We experienced that due to the longer night, the sugars are better reallocated to the fruits. From November to January, we have been able to export 25% more of electricity to the grid and save 5% of gas consumption. Our January production was increased by 5%, even with 5% less natural light. We have more plants in the greenhouse than before in winter because of the increased light level. So we have also more plants, also more tomatoes on 1 square meter. We achieved our goal and didn't have a loss of fruit weight. If other growers come to me and ask about what is Fluence and what is your experience with Fluence, then I can only say that I am happy about Fluence. The service from pre-sales to technical to horticulture was for me the best. The other companies didn't have that feeling that I have with Fluence. My choice was that I need some service from begin to end, and Fluence gave me the best service